your mid-career, what should a lawyer's weekly business development routine look like?
Well, I'm going to give you a lawyerly answer, which is it depends. There are some people that are elephant hunters that just need to get one or two big matters a year. Let's say, like, a litigation in the IP side, right? I mean, one matter could be, $1 million. So you don't, you're going to have a different plan than someone who's selling estate plans and needs to bring in, 5 to 10 a month, right? So everyone's going to have a different plan. Everyone's going to have a different level of activity. We have to figure out how to open up banks of time so that if you're getting, for example, work thrown at you by other partners, and you don't have enough time to do business development and build your own client base, we have to work on a plan to break free from that billable hour hamster wheel and the partners that are counting on you and you alone to do all of their work. And then on top of that, we need to figure out, like, what should your activity level be? So what we do is we talk about, like, where are you now? Let's say you're at 250 a year. That's, in originations, right? And you want to get to 450, right? So the gap there is 200,000. Every matter that you bring in is 20,000. So if we say it's 200,000 and you bring in 20,000, it means you need 10 new matters or one a month. So if you need one new matter a month, then okay, how much activity and how many referral partners and how much do you have to do to bring in one new matter a month? And maybe that's 30 minutes a week of emailing your network and networking and events and whatnot to get X number of meetings that will lead to that one new matter a month. So we have to sort of back out of what you're looking to accomplish sometimes to figure out what your activity level should be. The other thing I'll share, Nick, is I have a client who just said to me, like, her business has slowed down, right? And so she has less hours than when it's heats up. And so I was like, okay, so how do you fill that time? Well, there's nothing wrong with filling in that time with a little extra BD, a little extra marketing and branding, because what else should you be doing? Like, there's only really two things you should be doing: the business of law and the business of getting business for law. So, those are kind of a few answers I would give you that will, based on kind of where someone is in their career and where they are and what they're looking to accomplish, how you might change that plan a bit. My recommendation and what I try to work and instill in my clients and do, I'm also doing everything I need them to do so they can emulate me as their coach, is I focus on behaviors.